Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to teach you how I ship out my orders in Shopify. So let's not waste any more time, let's hop into the video. So on the right hand side under orders, you want to click shipping labels and then one order to ship. It's going to take you to a screen where you're going to actually input the dimensions of your packaging. It's going to ask you for the weight of the package, which I'm about to show you in this video now. Just to be safe, I like to put 0.5 ounces just to kind of round up my numbers. Since I didn't add the weight when I was actually creating my product, you can go ahead and add the weight here now. Once you have everything filled out correctly, you can go under the shipping service section and actually choose the shipping method of your choice. I always go with the USPS Advantage Ground because it's the cheapest and they can get it within 3 days. Once you select your shipping date, you're going to go ahead and click on Buy Shipping Label. On this page, to the right hand side, you see print documents. You have the option to choose your shipping label and your packing slip label if you want it to be on the thermal printer or you want to actually print it out on a sheet of paper. Just to save time, I like to do both thermal for the shipping labels and the packing slips. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more small business tips. Also, if you're interested in any of my products, please visit my website. Link will be in the description box below, and I'll see you guys on the next video.